It definitely wasn't a cute little kitty cat.
Look out for the loud, scary sound, Lily.
Be careful, Lily.
Watch out.
It's okay. I know what it is.
You do?
Yeah, it sounds just like my dad when he's sleeping.
You're right. It does.
It does?
Uh-huh. Mom says it's called snoring.
Your dad sounds like that when he's sleeping.
It's true.